In this faculty, we believe that technology is the most important thing in any student's life.
At Priory, there's always a new PT experience to try.
Like different things every single day. Actually made me get through a lot of success through my life in like a job or something.
Within DT faculty, we believe that students are our future, so we promote technology to them from the point of view of the food they eat, the clothes they wear, and the iPads and iPods they all depend on. So every student will get to understand how these clothes, food products, and electronic products are made and delivered to us. So within the technology faculty, we believe that the students we are preparing for the future really are the entrepreneurs and the manufacturing companies that will come from our teaching.
And you come to Priory, and there's so many different areas at DT.
Carousel system on offer for our Year 7 students gives the students opportunity to look into the topics that they might find the most interesting. So we have textiles, food, and resistant materials. They will do 3 projects in each. From there, in Year 8, they will do very similar. They look at CAD/CAM technologies, engineering, catering, and textiles. And then in Year 9, we'll get the students to choose a GCSE.
When you're choosing your options, they tell you like what path is best for you and what course like at GCSEs that would suit you to do that career.
Year 9 and 10 will be the GCSE year in the new system. So our students will have a choice of systems of control, resistant materials, graphics, also offer textiles, food technology, catering, and child development. If students are not prepared to do a GCSE and they want to go the BTEC route, we offer a really fantastic BTEC engineering course and also a BTEC construction level 2 course.
The teachers are really supportive, so they show you what to do, they show you where things are. Like if you're confused with something, they'll always help you, and they go like that extra mile. Kind of know what I've got to do, instead of me asking all the time for the teacher to come and help me.
They've given me a lot of support.
All teach a variety of topics, and are all trained on all the equipment and resources we have.
They are really good teachers and inspire us all.
But we encourage students to be bold and try to achieve the best projects to get the best outcomes, giving our students an insight into what industry and what these jobs could hold for them.
Doing DT sort of inspired me to be in the trade.
I find helpful that they probably show us before we do it, so they show us what to do.
Within technology, we offer a extensive range of school trips. So we have trips to UE, where we do a structures trip. We take students to local businesses such as the Woolpack, show them how the kitchens work for food technology. Formula 1 team has recently gone to London, done a really successful trip up there. They've designed and made their own car.
The F1 in Schools Challenge is a challenge where a team of 6 enters and they make a miniature car using CAD/CAM technology, and they have to race down a 20-mile track.
Priory has really helped me build my confidence.
Next year, look out, Formula 1 will be ours.
You think that you know everything, but you learn something new each lesson.
Getting away from the old-fashioned ideas of just students knocking nails in wood. We are really pushing the technologies, offering robotics,
Catering,
engineering,
Resistant materials.
food and child development,
with electronics,
systems,
cooking.
textiles.
they all incorporate different elements of design technology.
So what we want is the students leaving us in 5 years' time with a real good understanding of what modern technology is all about. Not just to work for other people, but perhaps to start their own companies, their own businesses, which is really what we're looking for. From this, we hope the students will go on to become the future entrepreneurs. They'll have an understanding of how businesses are run, how these products are made, and hopefully these will start up their own companies and take over the world.